What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Discovery Hiking. Today's trail is going to be at Rockway Falls in Lincoln, Ontario, Canada. For those of you who are still new to hiking, every once in a while on a trail you'll reach a junction point to where you have a choice to make either a right or a left. And if you don't know which way to go, the easiest way to keep on the right path is to follow the trail markers. These are called trailblazers. Because it's on the left side, we make a left. If this marker was on the right side, we would make a right. Blue means you're on a side trail, white means you're on the main trail. Here we go. As you continue down the path, you'll notice a few more trail markers. This tree has white and blue. If you want to continue on the Bruce side trail, you go straight ahead. But if you want to go to Rockway Falls, you make a left onto the main trail. As we get closer and closer to the waterfall, you start to see this beautiful bright green moss all over all the rocks. If you started your hike on 9th Street, you'll need to cross this bridge in order to reach the falls. If you start from the main parking lot like I did, you just continue down the path towards the waterfall. It's a very rocky terrain, so watch your step. Make sure you have the proper footwear. At this point, it's about preference on which way you want to go, whichever way you feel more comfortable with. Very slippery when wet, so be careful. if you guys remember, at the beginning of the trail, we started off up there where the main parking lot is. So if you want to go back to your car, you can either take the same way you came in, or you can take this shortcut that I'm about to show you right now. And once you get to the top, you're right back where you started. As you can see, this involved quite a bit of climbing, so only attempt this if you have experience or you feel comfortable. And that's it for this one. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. If you want to see me do anything different on future trails, leave your opinion in the comment section below.